Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are unlocking the magic of learning in the most fun and simple way. So, are you ready to learn and have fun today? If yes, write yes in the comment box. Before we start today's lesson, let's play a quick game. It's called Guess What? On the screen, you will see some pictures. You just have to tell whether it's a man-made or natural thing. Ready? Clap twice if you're ready. Let's go. Look at the first picture. Is it man-made or natural thing? Kids, comment down and let me know your answers. Good. It's a natural thing because it's a leaf and leaf is made by nature. Very nice. Next, what do you think about this? Is it man-made or natural? Wonderful. A ball. A ball is a man-made thing because balls are made by the humans, not by nature. That's why balls are man-made thing. Very nice. You are all doing amazing. Now that your brains are super active, now let's begin today's lesson. And do you know what? Today's lesson is all about these things. So my smart learners, any guesses? Perfect. The name of our lesson is Man-Made Things and Natural Things. So, in this lesson, we will learn which things are made by nature and which things are made by humans. And by the end of this session, you will become a smart detective who can easily say if something is natural or man-made. Are you excited? If yes, write yes in the comment box. Perfect. Let's begin our journey of learning together. First, let's learn what are man-made things. A man-made thing is something that people make. It doesn't grow by itself like trees, animals, or flowers. Humans make them to make life easier, safer, and more comfortable. People use tools, machines, or computers to make man-made things. Let's see some examples like a house to live in, a car to travel, a chair to sit, a toy to play with. So, remember, whenever you see something that is built, designed, or made by humans, we call it a man made things. Now, look around. Can you think of a man made thing in your house? Comment down and let me know your answers. Perfect. Let's see the examples of man made things. Car. A car is a man made thing. People make cars so we can travel easily. Rattle. A baby rattle is also man made. People design rattles to make babies happy. Mobile phone. A mobile phone is a man made machine. We use it for calls, photos, games, and learnings. Auto rickshaw. An auto is a man made vehicle. It helps people to travel short distances. Xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument. People make it to create music and fun sounds. So children, remember, man-made things is a things which is made by humans like a car, rattle, mobile, auto and xylophone. Okay kids, it's game time. Guess man-made or natural. Are you ready? Let's start. Look at this. A fan. Tell me kids, is it man-made or natural? Comment down your answers. Yes, a fan is man-made. People build it to keep us cool. Here is a musical dancing cactus toy. Is it man-made or natural? Correct. It is man-made because humans created it as a toy. Now look at this table. Man-made or natural? Great job. A table is man-made. People make it from wood or metal. Here is a piano. What do you think about it? Man-made or natural? Right, man-made. Humans designed it to make music. And now a laptop. Man-made or natural? Yes, it's a man-made. It's a man-made thing. Super job, my little learners. All these things are made by man because humans build them. Now let's talk about natural things. Natural things are things that are not made by humans. They are created by nature, like plants, animals, water, sky, and mountains. Natural things grow on their own, live on their own, or exist naturally without human help. So, kids, let's see the examples of natural things. Cloud. Clouds are natural. They are made of tiny water drops floating in the sky. Land, water, air all come from nature. Fire. Fire is also a natural. It can happen in nature as like lightning, heat and friction. Flower. A flower grows from a plant. Humans do not make flowers. They are natural. Plant. Plants grow on their own from soil, water, and sunlight. They are natural things. So, kids, remember natural things is the things which is created by nature, like cloud, earth, fire, flower, and plants. Perfect. So, kids, it's game time. Let's play again. Look at this. The moon. Is it natural or man made? Kids, comment down and let me know your answers. Yes, the moon is natural. It is made by nature. Here is a star. Natural or man made? Correct. A star is natural. It shines on its own. Now look at this. Stones. Is it natural or man made? Great job. A stone is natural. We find a stone. Here is the sky. Natural or man made? Yes, the sky is natural. Humans cannot make the sky. What about ice? Natural or man made? Correct. Ice is natural because it forms when water freezes. But humans can also make ice at home. But real ice in nature is natural. Now, kids, look around. Can you name one natural thing near you? Comment down your answers. Perfect. You did amazing, my little learners. Do you want more guessing games? If yes, so write yes in the comment box. Now it's your turn, my little learners. Download the worksheet from Telegram and our Telegram channel link in the given in the description box and complete your fun activity for today. For notes, join our WhatsApp group channel link. Link is given in the description box. Perfect. So kids, as I told you, by the end of this session, you will become a smart detective. Are you? So in this session, we learned man-made things and natural things with its examples. Hope you all are enjoying this session. If you learned something from this session, so please share the video, comment and like. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next learning video. Bye bye and take care.